Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact account where contacts lived, because restores are account-specific. Once done, pause any background sync or auto-clean tools so you don't overwrite recoverable data. Next, go straight to the provider portal or your device settings. Do not use third-party apps yet. You'll look for a Restore, Recently Deleted, or Trash option. This is where providers keep items for a limited time. Act now so timestamps and server snapshots remain available for the next steps. You'll now perform the actual restore. If a recently deleted folder exists, select the missing contacts and restore them directly. This is fastest. If not, use the account snapshot or restore feature. For example, Google offers a 30-day restore of your entire contact state. When restoring from a device backup, make sure the backup date is before deletion and choose Merge instead of Replace when prompted, so you don't lose newer items. Once restored, re-enable sync and verify contacts reappear across devices. Finish by confirming that contacts show up on your phone, tablet, and the web portal. Check a few entries for complete details. If some entries are still missing, repeat the restore or export whatever you have now, then manually re-import vCard or CSV with a merge option. If restores fail, contact your provider's support with timestamps and account info. They can check server logs or snapshots. Troubleshooting tip: if automatic restores aren't working, temporarily disable sync before any manual import to avoid immediate conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.